welcome back to Goochie's Cocktail channel. Today is Virgin Wednesday, which means that I'm going to show you how to make a delicious drink without any alcohol. I know, scary, right? But there are delicious drinks that don't have alcohol in them, such as coffee. Like, I love coffee. But this is another delicious drink. Last week I made the Peachy Sunrise. Today I'm going to show you how to make the classic Shirley Temple. Now, this drink has been around since the 1930s and was obviously named after the child actress, singer and tap dancer called Shirley Temple. Now, to make this drink you will need 3 ingredients. You will need diet lemonade, you'll need some grenadine and you'll need some glazed cherries. You'll also need some ice. We have the ice. I'm using crushed ice today. We'll then need to add 1 shot of grenadine. We then top this up with lemonade. And next, I'm going to garnish with a cherry. Oops. Sticky. And then I'm going to put in my beautiful fancy straw. And voila, we are done. This is a Shirley Temple. Cheers! This tastes exactly like a raspberry lemonade and it has a cherry on top. That's essentially what a Shirley Temple is. Nothing fancy about it. Super easy to make and tastes good. Alright guys, that brings me to the end of my show today. So if you want to see me, Goochie, make more cocktails or mocktails, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you next time. Bye!